everyone, I'm Stacy Klein, and I'm going to do a full video walkthrough of the 23-foot Boston Whaler Vantage. Starting out here at the transom, you do have a 300 Mercury Shadow 4-stroke. This is a supercharged engine with power steering as well. Easy to flush, easy, low maintenance, great engine. Moving forward, the way they designed this boat, you do have a nice walkthrough. This boat is equipped with a fishing package, so you do have rod holders across the back as well as a live well underneath the seat here. Great thing Whaler did back here, all high-grade stainless steel, part of integrated into this flip-up seat. Flips down real easy, and the cushion is not exposed. It is great if you're fishing. You have lines out the back, as well as cruising around during the day. There is a pull-out sprayer back here, as well as access to your dual batteries. This is a self-bailing hull, meaning they've raised the deck up above the waterline. Therefore, rain flows out of the boat. Underneath this access panel in the back, you do have access to your batteries, bilge pump, and a few other accessories. Whaler has given you a table mount here, as well as a hard top package. There is a tow hook integrated into the hard top for pulling skiers or wakeboarders or whatever you desire. Here you do have a nice entertainment area with a pull-out sprayer, Corian countertops, all high-grade stainless steel. One nice thing they did with this seat here, it can be used in multiple positions. It is manual, so it's a lot more low maintenance than your typical hydraulic seat. From a design standpoint, Whaler has enabled the walkthrough to be moved over a few inches. That utilizes a few extra inches of space on this side here. Moving over to the helm, they've given you a nice Marine chart plotter, as well as a VHF, digital throttles, fusion stereo, Winco trim tabs with indicator switches, push start, JL speakers, forward and aft. They have given you a stainless steel windshield cap. Nice finish there. Moving forward, this boat is equipped with really thick bolster cushions throughout. JL speakers. Here also Whaler is giving you a anchor windlass. This windlass is usable at the helm as well as from a toggle here. They have also given you a freshwater washdown. This concludes my full video review of the 230 Boston Whaler Vantage. Feel free to stop by and see us at 130 Shore Street in Wrightsville Beach, or visit us online at www.marinemax.com. Thanks.